can make ice cream.
1 glass milk.
1 banana. 1 spoon Nutella. Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to make salad in jar. Wow, you can use any kind. Let's start. Cucumber, beet, corn, red bean, avocado, lettuce. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, salt. Our salad ready. Thank you for watching Loveneva. Hi guys, let's make rainbow fruit salad. We need pineapple. Yo! Wow! Then blueberry. Strawberry. Yellow grape. Kiwi. Kiwi. Orange. My rainbow salad is ready. Whipped cream. Wow. Let's make pasta. Tomato pasta. Oil. Soap. Black paper. Turmeric powder. Hot water. Hi guys, today we're making egg sandwich. Let's make together. It's easy. We need 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. First, we're mixing egg. One spoon minus salt and black pepper. We need butter and bread. Our sandwich is ready. Hi guys, today I'm gonna make strawberry beet smoothie. Let's start. First we need strawberry, avocado, beets, maple syrup, honey, milk. Here it goes. Our spoon is ready. Let's try. What do I do? Let's just make cake. Chocolate cake. 3 eggs. 1 glass milk. Add water, glass oil. Let's mix it. Wow, my cake is ready. Blue, yellow,
Hi guys, I'm making rainbow cake today. First rainbow beet cake mix. 2 eggs. 1 glass milk. 2 glass oil. Mixing. We need 45 minutes. Using Nutella to devour a cake. Candy. Strawberry candy. Yummy! Cake is ready. Bye guys. Mwah. Hi guys, let's do my sandwich. First you need bread. Yeah. 2 eggs. Next cheese. Yeah. Chop. Let's do make it. Yummy!
Hi guys, let's go pack my lunchbox. Bread, butter, turkey, tomatoes, cheese, grape, apple, broccoli. My lunchbox is ready. Let's go school.
Bye!
Guys, let's make ice cream. Strawberry and banana. Cut banana into coins. Put them in the plastic bag. You need to cut strawberry too. You also put it in the plastic bag. We need 1 hour freezer. Our strawberry banana ready. Banana. 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Like, very good.
Let's make Christmas cookie.
Decorating.
Our cookies ready. Love Neva.